I have always said that if you have a skill, you will not suffer. If you master your skill, you will eat like a king. You see, most people in Lagos are struggling because they don't have a skill. But right now, there is a way to learn a trade that can change your income completely. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to apply for Lagos State trade courses. Don't skip the last part. That is where most people make mistakes. If you want to learn skills like tailoring, welding, catering, carpentry, or phone repair, this guide will make the entire process simple for you. No confusion, just clear steps. You see, Lagos is full of opportunities, but only for people with skills. Electricians, mechanics, designers, builders, they are always in demand. Trade courses are powerful because they are practical, affordable, and can help you become self-employed. This is not theory. This is real-life income skill development. And like I told you, I will always provide you with financial opportunities on Global Rise Network. Lagos offers many opportunities and options like fashion design, welding, catering, carpentry, and ICT or phone repairs. Go to the Lagos State Ministry of Commerce and Industry portal or approved training centers. Don't just choose randomly. Pick a skill that has real demand in the market, that works. Then make sure you apply only to accredited training centers. Accredited training centers. This is very important because approved centers give you proper training and a recognized certificate. That certificate improves your chances of getting real opportunities after training. Always confirm from official Lagos State listings or trusted vocational centers. Now, let's talk about the application process, which is very vital. First, you're going to get the application form either online or directly from the training center. Then you will prepare documents. You will usually need a valid ID, passport photographs, and sometimes basic educational certificates. Then fill the form carefully. Small mistakes like wrong names or numbers can delay your application. So make sure that it is well thought out field. Finally, submit your application online or physically, depending on the instructions you were given. Some courses may require a short test or interview. Don't panic about this. It's only to check your basic understanding and your interest in the skill. So you don't need to worry. You're going to pass it. So if you are serious and prepared, you will do just fine. After you have done all that, successful candidates will be selected and announced. So if your name appears on the list, congratulations, you are in. You will receive an admission letter with your start date and instructions on it. But here is the most important part, and very, very important. Getting admission is not the real success. No. The real success is consistency. I repeat, consistency. Attend every class. Practice the skill. Stay disciplined. That is how you turn training into real income. Now, I want to ask you something. Which trade would you choose? If you had this opportunity, which trade would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more real opportunities like this, follow for more updates on my channel, Global Rise Network.